Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017
Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, FWD, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.